Let's make something that can fly. Take the power module, the switch, the knob. Make sure the knob is turned all the way to the left. The motor and the flying saucer. Lastly, 4 cables. First, let's connect the power module to the switch. Then switch to the motor. And motor to the knob. Knob to the power module. Okay, now we have a closed circuit. If you want, you can fix everything on the board. Let's put the flying saucer on top of the motor. Okay, now let's turn on the switch. Okay, before we turn on the switch, make sure the knob is at the minimum level. Turn on the switch. The flying saucer is not spinning. Now let's slowly turn the knob to the right. You can see the flying saucer starts spinning faster and faster, and it will fly. Okay, let's turn the knob to the minimum. You can see the motor is still turning, right? It's just not strong enough to spin the flying saucer. Okay, turn off the switch. Put back the flying saucer. Turn on the switch. Okay. Then slowly turn the knob to the right. Spinning, 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 it flies. In the past videos, we have learned when you turn the knob all the way to the left, there will be more resistance in the circuit, so the motor turns slowly. If you turn the knob all the way to the right, the resistance in the circuit will be reduced. There will be more current flowing through the circuit, and the motor will turn fast. So when the motor turns very fast, it will spin the flying saucer, and when the flying saucer spins very fast, it will fly up.